Thank you. Good morning. And as Sergio was mentioning, and I guess that everybody at this point knows, Brazil is going through tremendous growth, and it's a terrific moment to explore opportunities in Brazil. Not only accessing this market that is growing so fast, but also tapping into talent from Brazil. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. Next, please. Ci&T is a company originally from Brazil. So my connection with Brazil is that I am from Brazil. I have a very strong connection. And the company I've been with for almost 14 years, Ci&T, was founded 15 years ago in the state of São Paulo. And today is a global company. We have development centers in Brazil, in China, and now in Argentina. And we are a CMMI level 5 company. That means basically that we achieved the highest level in terms of software development maturity, software development process maturity. And today, around or almost 40% of our business is in North America. What we provide is lean nearshore application development. And I'm going to explain what that means. Lean comes from the principles of lean manufacturing. I'm sure that many of you know about that. It's the principles that actually were pioneered by Toyota originally, and today many other companies in manufacturing and in other industries use the same principles. And we have been pioneers in applying those principles to software development. Just in a nutshell, lean means that you got to understand what is value for your customer, and you have to focus on delivering that. And anything that is not value is waste, and therefore it should be eliminated. So that's our value proposition, and by applying lean principles, what we aim to achieve is business agility, and we have been very successful in doing that. There's a lot of waste in the IT industry. If you think about that, you'll be able to recognize that many things that we still do, perhaps we shouldn't. There's a better way to do it. And we're constantly thinking about that in order to really improve our processes and deliver software development in a more effective way, and really focusing on delivering value to our clients. So that's our focus, and also nearshore. Why nearshore? I just mentioned that we have development centers in China. That doesn't sound like nearshore, does it? However, our development center in China is focused on our clients in the Asia Pacific, so it is nearshore. So our clients in North America, we serve from our development centers in Brazil and Argentina, and we strongly believe in this value proposition because it allows for direct communication. So when you are working with teams that are distributed but are far away, and you have a huge difference in time zone, the process of collaboration becomes a little bit like throw over the wall kind of process. And there's a lot of waste in doing that. So we strongly believe in the nearshore model, and we use our development center in China to serve our clients in Japan and Asia in general, and we use Brazil and Argentina to serve our clients in North America. We really have a culture of developing people before we develop software, and because of that, we have been chosen as one of the best places to work in Brazil for 5 years in a row. And we're trying to achieve the same thing, the same kind of recognition everywhere where we are present. We're also considered one of the top 100 global outsourcing providers and one of the most innovative companies in Brazil. You can see a small set of clients, and of course I chose some of the most well-known clients to put on the screen, but we also work with several, we have worked with several smaller tech-based companies in product development, software product development. And we can talk about that later on. Next, please. Our core business is to develop web-based applications. And the definition of web-based has changed a bit in the last few years. And in the past, web-based platform or web-based solutions, could be just a web portal that would be web-based. There was not much beyond that. Today, we're talking about exploring a whole digital ecosystem. So it's not just a web portal. It's not just an e-commerce platform. We're talking about leveraging mobile devices. We're talking about social media. And we're talking about a huge set of technologies that you have at your disposal, not only technologies, but a huge set of media that you can use to achieve your business, to reach your business partners, your consumers, your suppliers, etc. And in order to explore this digital ecosystem, you have to be very innovative. And this is key in order to really leverage what's available. Now, I just read a book by Tom Kelly. It's called the 10 Faces of Innovation. And Tom Kelly is one executive from IDEO. IDEO is a very well-known and respected product design company. I believe it's based in California. And what Tom Kelly does in this book is to describe what they think are the 10, let's say, it's kind of 10 stereotypes of innovative people. And one of them, it's very interesting, is the cross-pollinator. And what the cross-pollinator does is to learn or capture experiences in one environment and apply those experiences in another environment totally different. And he mentions that one of the most effective kinds of cross-pollinators are those that were born in one culture and then relocated to another one. And I do believe, and we do believe, that this mix of different cultures and different backgrounds, it really is very helpful in fostering innovation. And that's what we're trying to do. So when we work in North America, we don't just bring Brazilians to North America to do business with North Americans. When we do business in Japan, we just don't relocate a bunch of Brazilians to do business in Japan. We actually create teams that have this cross-cultural kind of mix. And this diversity really is very helpful in fostering innovation. Next, please. So when you're trying to be innovative, sometimes you have to be very proactive and you cannot wait for opportunities. So one example, when the iPad was launched, we tried to find some customer interested in developing an application for the iPad, and we didn't find any. It was too new. Nobody was really trying to put some money into that. So what we did was we actually went ahead and we did an application for ourselves. We just created this app. Some of you may recognize that it's a Zen Garden. And we designed the user interface and developed the app very quickly. Indeed, actually took 3 weeks. And we put it up on the App Store, and with no marketing, this app became the top 1 app in the Japan App Store, and top 10 in several countries. So we're very, very amazed with that. And of course, with that, we could prove our capabilities and we could discuss with clients other projects using the same kind of technology. And today we have several apps for the iPad, for iPhone, for Android phones that actually were the result of that first experiment. So this is very important. And this comes with this kind of attitude of being proactive, being innovative, and really trying to learn from different cultures and apply concepts from one place to another. Next, please. Also, one thing that is very often said about Brazilian people is that we are creative. I don't know what that means exactly, but unless we try to use that creativity and really make it, turn it into something that provides business benefit, who cares, right? Why would you do business with somebody that is creative if that creativity does not translate into something that is useful for you and your company? So what we did is we have been providing, let's say, technical services, software development services for 15 years. And some years ago, we added another layer into those services. And that layer is the creative design layer. So actually, we have people that not only know the technology, but we have also people that have a marketing background and a creative design background. And that mix provides a very, very interesting environment for innovation, creativity, and we are actually using that cultural inheritance to provide something of value to our clients. So one example is the iPad application that I just mentioned. Here you have another example that is basically uses the same kind of expertise, but in a very different setting. There's an application for a hospital that allows physicians to walk down the beds, having access to the patient's electronic medical records. So same kind of technology in a totally different setting, but providing a very powerful application. Next, please. Also, you can use technology, this kind of technology, not only to enhance your services, but you can also use it to provide, you can use it as a marketing tool, providing experiences to your consumers. So that's what you see on the screen, right? You can really engage users by using this kind of platform, mobile, social media, web, in a unified way. And that's what we are trying to do with our clients. We have been providing this kind of vision to all of them, and what we see is a very positive response. Next. Finally, I have my LinkedIn profile up there, not because I'm a narcissist or anything like that, but just because I really would like to keep in touch. So if you like, you can search for my LinkedIn profile, and it's very easy. It's L Mattiasi, my initial, Leonardo, and my last name. You just have to have in mind that it's an Italian name, so you have to double all the consonants, and you'll be fine. That's it. Thank you very much.